Video's working now. Lovely. Right, the rocket. Is that it? Alright. Oh, what's that? Where's it going? Fuck! Do it once. Is that it?
What is he doing?
Well, watch out. Oh! Dude, move!
Set me line over fire.
Where?
Yeah, Jude.
Handle it with silver bit. Watch out!
Yeah, everyone needs to bloody move!
Oh! Lemon fizz. Oh! Are you ready? Oh no, 'cause it's gonna.
What the hell was that?
I was expecting more than that. Lemon fizz. It's that one. No, because it's not gonna go off. That was it. Lemon fizz. That's probably all it does. Okay. Do you not remember yours? See, that's it. It was. It's not, that's probably what Lemon Fizz just does. See? Oh! It smells of stink bombs. No, oh, don't throw you. Watch, this is gonna go wrong. Oh! Yeah, but do it again.
Why? You got parachute down.
Oh yeah, see if it comes back in one piece. Whoa. Oh, it's setting on fire up. I think the parachute died.